Hey, it's Deborah Atkinson with Flipping 50, and this is really giving you a sneak peek into my cupboard. And this is about as real as it gets. So it is morning, this is bedhead, and the point is, within about an hour and a half to 2 hours of waking, I do try to get something in me. And here's what went into this, and I'll put the recipe down below. But I want it to be a very alkalizing type of a smoothie first thing in the morning. So I may or may not be working out. Today, it just so happens, I will be going for a swim, but it may be hour to hour and a half. But my breakfast wouldn't have actually been any different. Here's what went in here. So lots of things that will help with alkalizing and boosting your immune system so you have a good environment internally. If you're trying to make changes on the outside, whether it's your belly, your hips, your thighs, your arms, your bat wings, all of that on the outside takes a great environment inside first. So in here went the greens. I had spinach, I had lime juice. I also added papayas and mango and a little bit of frozen. Some were already fresh because those summer fruits are amazing. And I'm busting out of the usual berries and citrus because there are some things with digestive enzymes in those particular fruits. And if I'm offsetting it with my protein first thing in the morning, they can be amazing. So you do need to know how well you tolerate those a little bit higher sugar fruits. So test yourself before you do. But then I added a little green apple, wonderful for helping to cleanse and detox the liver. So know what you're putting in and know why. All my dry ingredients, I put in some greens for extra chlorophyll. So that's partially what made it so green. Sometimes that's a green tea or powdered green tea leaves, matcha. Today, it's about the spinach and the chlorophyll. So super good for you. And I had vanilla plant power protein. I also add a little extra fiber boost, and the reason for doing that is just we don't get enough fiber. So if I can start my day with a smoothie that's got about 15 grams of fiber, definitely more regular. So sure, we got to talk about that, right? Because 90% of the women that I work with are constipated and they're not talking to anybody else about it. So if I don't ask, they won't volunteer it. And then needlessly, you're uncomfortable, probably not motivated to exercise much. So do something about that, and you don't have to settle for that's your quote-unquote normal. We can change it no matter how old you are and how long it's been going on. Promise. All right. So this is an excellent start to the day, no matter what day it is, but particularly if you're going through a detox, you just need it. Maybe it's the end of summer and barbecues caught you and in one after the other. Great time to just take a 3-day weekend or do a week and focus on getting an alkalizing smoothie in once, maybe more than that a day, and focus on what else you're taking in too. Because if you get a great start right now, still in your jammies, you're going to have a great rest of the day. And I'll see you on the flip side. I'm going to drop that recipe down below.